Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bringing you the Salesian news across the globe.
Coming up next, Salesian News Asia Pacific. Hello and welcome to the 182nd episode of Salesian News Asia Pacific. I'm your host, RJ Brian of Radio Salesian 90.8 FM, the voice of the hills, the first community radio of Don Bosco Asia since 2016. This show is brought to you by Church Art Kolkata, the church decor people. The headlines this week. None awarded for combating trafficking. Catechetical Center holds Faith Festival. Seminar held to strengthen families. Salesian family members study youth ministry. Alumni hold joyful reunion, plan Salesian centenary. The news in detail. India, none awarded for combating trafficking. Province Communications Director Father Arvind Khalko reports from Kolkata.
Salesian family member Sister Sally Thomas of Sister of Mary Immaculate won the inaugural Sister Anti-Trafficking Award SATA. Sister Thomas, a member of Sister of Mary Immaculate in Krishnanagar, West Bengal, received the award at a function in London on 31st October 2023, along with two other sisters from Nigeria and Thailand. The three have been rescuing women from networks that profit from sexual and labor trafficking. Human trafficking includes forced labor, sex trafficking, child labor, organ trafficking, and forced marriage. The Sisters of Mary Immaculate, founded by Salesian Bishop Louis L. R. Morrow of Krishnanagar in 1942, is 18th member of 32-member Salesian family. There are some 130,000 women religious working in India.
Father Arvind Khalko reporting. Child-friendly schools put children at the center of learning and engage them in play learning. Experts say children learn through example. Studies show that children pick up values of love, kindness, helpfulness, compassion, and acceptance of each other, not by hearing, but by seeing. Church Art Kolkata's Children series offer life-size statues and attractive murals of children in various learning, sharing, helping, and playful situations. These will inspire in children values of love, cooperation, kindness, and gentleness. For hassle-free professional service, contact Don Bosco Past Pupil at churchart.ganguly@gmail.com or WhatsApp or Telegram at country code 919831020945. India Catechetical Center holds Faith Festival. Father A.J. Franklin reports from Chennai.
Let's celebrate faith. A creative venture by Chennai Salesians was conceptualized and organized by dbmnTv Catechetical Center of Chennai Province. More than 2,000 participants, including children, youth, and adults, participated at the event held on 29th October 2023 at Don Bosco Katpadi, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. Rectors and laity from 12 presences in Vellore region gathered under the leadership of Director of dbmnTv, Father Jesudas. Father Sundar, the rector of Don Bosco Katpadi, ensured the whole day was filled with praise and worship, moments of adoration, moments of reconciliation, where several priests heard the confessions of the faithful. The afternoon event consisted of cultural shows, soul-stirring music, riveting biblical characterization, and captivating exhibitions, all expertly prepared and presented by various communities from Vellore region. The event culminated with a solemn Eucharistic celebration presided over by Father Don Bosco, the Salesian Provincial of Chennai Province, and concelebrated by over 40 priests. Every Christian family was given a Bible each, youth were provided with a youth catechism, and children were given a children's catechism.
Father A.J. Franklin reporting. You are listening to Salesian News on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Shillong. Myanmar seminar held to strengthen families. Father Andrea Mong reports from Peit.
A seminar on strengthening Christian families was organized by Salesian Family Commission from 28th to 30th October 2023 in the Salesian Sisters Compound, Peit. The seminar began with the opening talk of the delegate for Salesian Family, Father John Gamsai, followed by sessions of invited speakers. Over 60 participants were present at the event. Throughout the seminar, the participants learned about the spirituality in the family and things to be nurtured or avoided in the family.
Father Andrea Mong reporting. Thailand Salesian family members study youth ministry. Father Sufot Ryungam Dominic Savio reports from Hua Hin.
The Salesian province of Thailand, Cambodia and Laos organized the annual seminar on the theme of Directions of Youth Pastoral Ministry for 133 members of Salesian family in 2 batches. Chief resource persons was Salesian Counselor for Youth Ministry, Father Miguel Angel Garcia Morguende. The first batch was held at Don Bosco Home, Bangkok, from 27th to 28th October 2023. With 60 participants. The second batch was held at the Salesian Retreat House in Hua Hin from 29 to 30 October 2023 with 73 participants. After presenting an overview of Salesian pastoral work for the young, Father Miguel gave guidelines for pastoral work in schools, youth groups, and the family, and in the parishes. The participants reflected on the works they have been doing and shared their experiences with each other.
Father Sufot Ryungam Dominic Savio reporting. Japan alumni hold joyful reunion planned Salesian centenary. Mr. Chihiro Okawa reports from Tokyo.
The 2023 Extraordinary Board Meeting of Japan Federation of Don Bosco Past Pupils was held on 28th October 2023 at Meguro Salesian Community in Meguro, Tokyo. Board members from 5 Salesian School Alumni Associations in Japan, Father Provincial Jacob Hideaki Hamaguchi, and delegate of the Federation, Father Peter Shin Mishima, had the first face-to-face board meeting in 4 years. Elections for 2024 to 25 period was held after discussing official matters pertaining to the Alumni Association. Starting from April 2024, Mr. Shinya Yokoyama, Vice President of the Saregio Gakuin Alumni Association, will assume office of President of Japan Federation. The alumni also decided to continue preparations for 100th anniversary of the arrival of Salesians in Japan in 2026. After Father Mishima's explanation of Strenna 2023 and 2024, group visited the crypt of Himoya Church, where Father Hamaguchi presided over a memorial service for Salesians who served in Japan and died during the past 4 years, and for deceased members of the alumni associations.
Mr. Chihiro Okawa reporting.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.